Hi everybody, Carter here again, just coming with another video. So I just wanted to share some of the wonderful Amazon deals that are available here for y'all today. So if you just want to check out a couple of deals, and as you can notice, some of them the time is taking, so it's going to be for the rest of the day for another 10 hours. But the good thing is I'm going to leave a link for you all below, so you can always go ahead and check out my links. I post videos like this every single day, so you can get anything from 10%. You notice we've got 30%, 40%, and it just goes on and on. There's 40% discount, um, 13% discount. So you can always click the link. Feel free to subscribe. The reason I want you all to subscribe is because I'm gonna post these deals every single day. So you guys can actually come and get discounts for anything, almost anything you're looking for. It's just a matter of when it's gonna be discounted. So let me go back up here, and I just wanted to show you. Sorry, I just wanted to show you all some of the different items that's available today in discount. And maybe you never know what you might like. So here's they've got the some man wear, some robes and all. Um, we've got the camera lens. We've got the Ultra HD Smart LED TV. Um, go from anything between 398 or 400 up to 1,000 depending on what you choose. We also have DeWalt, is it? Should be DeWalt. It looks like DeWalt. We have some tool here. I believe the for drills and a camera. We've got HP business class printers. Do apologize. So there's a lot of wonderful stuff that you guys can definitely check out. We've got stuff for the female today. Very nice dash cams. I like these dash cams, and you actually get like 17% off, so you can get them for like 37, 39, and that's definitely cheaper than what you would pay at a lot of the other stores. It's already a good price, and you get a discount here today, only today, and maybe another day. Um, we do have we do have some other good stuff right here. You never know what you might find. Like I said, all you have to do is just click on the link right there below, and it definitely takes you to all these different stuff that's going to be available for today. I'm going to post another video tomorrow, so definitely more than likely there's going to be something else that might float your boat tomorrow, and that's fine if you don't really see something today. But we're going to see what happens. Oh, here we go. I was wondering if it's not working. So I'm not gonna make this a very long video, so this is just gonna take a few minutes, 2, 3 minutes maybe. We've got this right here to exercise, couple stuff for the female again. Um, we've got the little watches. You can get from 5 right up to 3059. Um, so like I said, there's numerous stuff on here. There's bands. I don't know what you're looking for. I don't think these are the wallets that comes with that special protection. There's the ones that come with a special protection, so nobody can't really pass by and swipe your information from your phone or data stealing chip. But I don't think I see them. But these are pretty cool actually. So you get like not much, 15, 17% discount, 29.99 on these ones. So that's pretty nice. Um, you guys gotta come check it out, man. Just click the link here. Definitely gonna find something. Now we've got these again for the females, moms, everyone, you know. And these pretty nice. So there's 25% off. That's like quarter off. So 59.99, 664. That's like yeah, you get a nice discount right there on that. I don't think there's much. Maybe we can go on this one. I don't think there's much on here to see anyways. But maybe we can click on it if it's gonna pop up. I'm a little pressed for time either way, but I think that's it. I think that's the third page, is it? What's going on?